Hello friends! Welcome to SuperKidsToys, where you are super! Today we're gonna be playing with Blaze and the Monster Machine's Flaming Volcano Jump Playset! Oh, Blaze is here too! Hi Blaze!
Hello! I want to play with this volcano, but I'm too small and I can't build it by myself. Would you help me?
Of course we will help you! Let's do it! Yes! Look at the first thing we have! Stickers! Wow, there are a lot of pieces for this volcano. It doesn't really look like it, but I'm sure once we get going, it'll start looking more like a volcano. Alright, I think that's it. Let's organize it so that we know how to build it. That's more like it. Remember, we always start with the stickers. So let's open up this bag. It has a lot of caution stripes. I guess you need those for a racetrack. Let's see. Here are the instructions. I will put them right here. And let's start building this up. Okay, let's put this two together. Remember, it has to click. This one goes right here on the red one. And let's find a twin C to do the same. A ramp. Yes. Let's put stickers on it. Here's number 1. And here's number 2. Alright, let's do the same thing with the other one because they're twins. And remember how many stickers it gets? 1 and 2. There's 2 big rocks, but only one of them has space for a sticker. Do you think this is the same shape? Let's see. Why, yes. Yes, it is. Okay, let's keep putting pieces together. Now we have 2. They're twins. Doesn't this one look like a duck from the side? Quack, quack. Now, this is the part of the racetrack that looks like a volcano. Well, it is a volcano. Look at all that lava. this is the fire that comes out of the volcano and then it becomes solid rock because it gets cooled down. Okay, now we have the 4 main parts ready. Let's put it together! This actually needs to go the other way so that the car goes up the lava, not to the lava, because that would be dangerous. Ready! Now we're only missing one thing. A ring of fire! Here we go. Ouch, ouch. It's a little hot. Oh man, it goes the other way. There we go. Alright. Do you want to see the ring of fire working? Let's do it! Woo! Now the car, Blaze, is supposed to go through the ring of fire. And if it does that, it wins! Let's move this so that you can see the whole thing. Hi, Blaze! Are you ready?
I am so ready! I cannot wait! Oh man! I couldn't do it!
It's okay, Blaze. We can try again.
Woohoo! I did it! I did it!
Yeah, you did, Blaze. Way to go!
That was so fun! I can't believe I did it! Thank you so much for believing in me.
Of course, Blaze. That's what it's all about. You can do whatever you want to do. Now let's keep practicing so that you become the best one.
I'm a little nervous again, but it's gonna be okay. Let's do this! Let's Blaze!
Wowza! Blaze, you've done it again!
Woohoo!
And with this, we know that Blaze has become the best race truck ever! Woo! Great job, Blaze. I'm so proud of you for trying and succeeding.
I was nervous at first, but then I was having so much fun that I didn't even notice. All you need is to believe in yourself and you're halfway there.
That's true. I am definitely gonna try later.
Wow, yes! You'll understand how fun it is that way. Can I do it one more time with some tricks?
Yeah, let's do it.
Woo!
Blaze, that was awesome! You went forward and then backwards. Wow!
Thank you!
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah, but I should probably get some rest now. Need to take care of this engine.
True. That's very important. Do you want to say goodbye to our friends?
Yes! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe to SuperKidsToys where you are super! Goodbye!